Me used to me used to date this girl in Jamaica, right? Me used to work downtown at King's Fabric. And me used to date this girl every week when we get paid. Me used to pay me every week. And then give me the envelope with my paycheck. Me not even pull it. Me just carry it go straight home and me gear.
Bombard star.
I swear
I
to
could
God.
have guessed that.
Me used to work at King's Fabric and you know the little brown envelope and put my paycheck in it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And then write it, then write on the front how much money in the envelope with the pen. And me just take the envelope and me carry it go straight home and me carry it go gear. Me and I live that time me did live on Russell Road. Me and I live on Russell Road. And me just carry it home go gear. And she just give me back like all one. That time $500 enough money that time. And she give me my 500. And it take me go work for the week again. You understand me? Me give
Wow.
her the money, so she have to buy food. She have a son and the son are not married. Me give her the money to run the house. One day my father look for me and say, you know say you're an idiot.
Nadia, what's your name again?
Anthony. Anthony.
Anthony.
Yeah.
The next thing what I don't really, I just said that Jamaican man can romance. But at the end of the day, they are not romantic either. The difference between romance and romantic, for me, according to me, if you go foreign and you're there with one man, you see, when you walk with that man, he will
You
hold your
walk and
hand on
hold
the
your hand.
street.
You say that.
Man will take all your handbag. When you're up on the street, you getting kissed. You go supermarket, and when you go supermarket and come back, bunches of flowers coming back for you. You
Because
understand?
you're that
And you're there. Sometimes you're there cashier. All when you're there cashier, you feeling behind you like squeezing your butt cheek, and you just feel wanted. You just feel wanted. You just full of you just feel
Look
wanted.
here. Look here.
Yo, Jamaica,
Look here.
you
Look
don't
here.
find those type of
You do find it here. Yeah. But then,
which part?
Nadia.
Tell me which
Nadia.
part.
Nadia. You see when she said a while ago, when she said Jamaica man is not romantic, but could I name out the whole of the things that what you just call a while ago. First, walk and hold your hand. When you and him, if you go out for dinner, you walk and hold hand. Right? Carry her handbag.
Yeah.
Pick up some flowers. But when she come from,
My
before
husband,
she
when
reach
I'm
home,
going
oh,
towards the
I
car, he
know.
opened even the car door for me.
Yes.
I
Right.
love that.
And do you,
You see my
all
walk in
right.
front of me because he had to open the
All
car door for me.
right. All right. Him open the car door for you. And when
And
him
he wait till me
after
sit down and him close it back. You feel like a queen.
and him close it back fine. And then him walk around the car. And I got ask you a question. Do you open back the door for him? Don't lie.
If
Talk
I
the
No,
open
truth.
but she have
he
to
don't
about
accept that.
chivalry. You understand me?
He
Jamaican
don't
man, you have a
accept
sense
that.
for that. You understand me? I
Him
try
don't
to
what?
He don't accept me
music
opening the
market big
door
up
for him.
No. When you sit down in the car, does you lean over to the right or to the left and open the door for him to come into the car? When you
No,
after
because he don't want me to do that. It's his job to do the opening and closing a car door.
yes,
And the
and
next thing again,
hold on now,
yeah.
hold on. I was listening a program on the TV and they was talking about said open the car door. The man opened the car door for the woman, put in the woman in the car, close the door. When the man walking around the car, at the front of the car or at the back of the car to come inside of the car, does you lean over, open the lock, and push the door for him to come inside of the car?
No, I don't.
And then say if the woman no lean over and do that for the man, the woman no love the man. That
Who
what the
say
That's
man
that?
not
they
true.
talk it on the program. That's what they say on the
That,
program.
that, that is
That is a
BS.
one
That
side
is
story.
No,
BS.
No,
man, I
but
don't know
that's a
where you
one
come from
side.
with that story there, you know. I don't know where
No,
you
but
come
look
from with
here.
I
that
think that
story.
is some.
Me
I
see.
think that is a man's job to do all them little romantic things.
Yeah,
We
but
women
it's a
have
woman
feel with
job to
different.
but a woman job to all right.
No, we have feel with duties, you know. We have with
If she
chores in a relationship,
Alright,
you
me
know.
no know,
But me
you
not
know,
feel
you
say
see,
okay.
because me know me is Mrs. and Mr. Romantic. Me kind of
right.
different from Sammy, you know, because everybody who know say me buy man flowers and chocolate and all of these things same way, you
Of
understand me?
course.
No,
Same
those
thing.
things I don't buy
Same
man
thing.
flour, but I do
No,
that
like,
too.
now
Me
me
do
buy
that to
two,
my
like,
husband.
me will buy a jar of the rose pedal them, make a bath, and put some scented oil
Nadia,
Him a
light,
come
and then
and
show
him
the
come
rose
for
pedal
Nadia,
work
light, and
that's
then
me.
wait
and him
for it to come
Nadia,
come in my
me go to
lingerie.
supermarket and some whipped cream and all of
You
them
understand?
stuff and
No do
extra
that.
ice
right.
cream
So
and
me very
I
romantic.
do. I does that. I does that. Of course, a 50-50. After nobody not
All
romance
right.
my man away
So
from
so
me.
hold on. All right. I am very romantic. Right? But if you not show me romantic, me not show you back now. I show me see. That's my thing. If you not showing it, if you're not giving it back, if me I give you as one hand can, my grandmother always say one hand can clap, and your two hand you
That's
have to use
true.
and clap, right?
That's true.
So you have a lot of women out there. Why me used to me used to date this girl in Jamaica, right? Me used to work downtown at King's Fabric, and me used to date this girl every week when me get paid. Me used to pay me every week, and then give me the envelope with my paycheck. Me not even pull it. Me just carry it, go straight home and me gear.
Bombard star.
I swear
I
to
could
God.
have what cause that.
We used to work at King's Park and you know the little brown envelope and put my paycheck in it,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then write on the front how much money in the envelope with the pen. And I just take the envelope and I carry it straight home and I carry it gear. Me and I live that time I did live on Russell Road. Me and I live on Russell Road. And I just carry it home go gear. And she just give me back like all one. That time $500 enough money that time. And she give me my 500 and it take care of me go work for the week again. You understand me? Me give
Wow.
her the money, so she have to buy food. She have a son and the son are not married yet. Me give her the money to run the house. One day my father look for me and say, you know say you're idiot. I said, what do you mean by? Come go to him and tell him to lend me $200. He said, but you not get paid Friday God. That's about Wednesday. He said me I borrow $200 for them. He said every time you get paid, you can go give woman. And you pick me and not pay pick me. And I said, but if you love the mother, you have to love the car.
That's true. That's
Right?
totally true.
And I look for my father and I tell him that. Me about 21 them time. And from this my father respect me.
Rom the Swiss ask you a question. Him says, so brother, when you give her all your money, how you survive?
Me survive see way. No, all of my bills them pay. And food in my house and me eat. Right? And the reason why me and that girl they break up, it look like my enough wasn't enough because she meet other man where come from foreign and the man there, she and her friend. She friend lead you're not their friend. Me and you there. And me and you go to and now we are eat with one bread. Now they have one of my cousin come from foreign and he come round and he and him start flex and totally forget all about me.
Then you never have a personal bank account where you say, "Me put up little get vex money," as Jamaican people say.
Me never
We
put
put
up nothing.
aside something.
Me never put up nothing. Me say me just
Rom the
can't go
Swiss
gear.
ask you if you live together and do you save? How that they go?
Me never do that save. she me I give the money.
Jesus Christ.
No,
Me
she
not
name
save.
goodie. She name good girl.
Me not save. Me not
Well,
save none at
Rome,
all.
if you're not busy, send a request, Rome.
Me never save. She a save.
Chris, big up yourself.
No,
Me
you
never a save.
over good. You overdo it.
And
You
I know
overdo
over.
it.
Look here, I'm a Leo. You see, if me love you, that's not too good for me do for you. Me go out on a limb for you. Once me love you, me go out on a limb for you. Once you comfortable, alright, a happy woman, happy wife, happy life. You understand me?
But how you feel left yourself out and want give everything? Like, me not understand that. I see you say that
No,
because you want to impress the woman them who go listen to the live here and say,
no, no,
Ray,
no, no,
Ray,
no, no,
Ray.
no, 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 no. I not impress the woman them. I not impress the woman them. I not impress the woman them. I not impress the woman enough. Okay, me and you there. Now, no, that not happen now. Me learn by my mistake. Me and you, now, we do it 50-50. And me no want a woman if you not work. If you stay home and sit down in your house every day, me no want that. You have to work.
Chris,
Because
you
me
can
learn.
send a request if you want to say something
So
to
me
me.
ask you something now. After the relationship, did you learn something from that?
Of course, I
Did
learn
you
a lot
still
of
give
things from
woman
that.
all of your money and them something?
No, you're mad. Me did left Jamaica and go with Cayman. I left Jamaica and go Cayman. I get a trip. My mother give me a trip to Cayman because my mother did that Cayman. I get love Cayman and I spend 16 years over there. Alright. Then I go America. Then I go Canada. Spend a year at Canada. And then I come to England. I live in England now. Alright. Left from Cayman and come to England. All that. That was a bad experience. Trust me. Woman. Woman. Woman I want me can tell enough man after experience. I can tell enough man after experience. Alright. When we learn, when we see, you understand me? Me learn by my first mistake with the woman at Jamaica.
Rome,
That's
this
who she
big,
I get.
big up yourself. Rome, you want to say something to the general?
Yeah, I'm not stay long because I have a Zoom call shortly. Good night, everybody. Hi, Sammy. What's up?
Good night,
Hi.
my brother.
Yeah, my general. Just a few questions. See,
Yeah.
um, how old were you at the time?
I was in my 20s.
Yeah, like your early 20s.
Yeah, my early 20s, 21.
Oh, you did actually answer some of the questions I did ask. Cause for one, I was trying to find out if you did still have the same mentality as it relates to relationship and stuff like that.
Yeah, man. Even, even up until today, I have the same mentality, but not the same as well when I was younger. You understand me?
Okay,
Because I
okay.
believe woman forget things. Woman forget things.
I believe so too. I
Woman
mean, if
forget
if
things.
if you're in a relationship, like a serious relationship with a woman, may get that. You have
Yeah.
to make sure the woman good and she comfortable and all of that. But
Mm-hmm.
at the same time, I believe as a man, whether you're young or you're old, you still need to put something down for yourself because that woman may not always be there. And
That's the
if
thing. That when I don't cut you. When me was working at things for them time, I
yeah,
thought me and her come from scratch, brother. When I say scratch, I mean scratch. Alright?
mm-hmm,
I still live on my father yard. Still live on
okay,
my father house. But me give her the money, she run the me give my father when to get the light water. You understand me?
Yeah.
And she's supposed to take care of them, the father.
Okay.
But you see, my biggest mistake, she wasn't working. She the home, sit down a yard. And she and her friend them the on roadside sometime. You understand me?
Yeah, enough time when you're in a situation, you know, really see certain things. Especially if you love somebody, trust me, it's all hard
Love
for you
is
to see them
blind.
in some ways. Because, for example, me grew up see my mother, my father do something similar to you, you know. But the difference in my father was, like, my father married to my mother for over 20 years, and they have a number of
Mm.
children together, and they have been married. They have been married ever since, so that is different. Because when my mother would get my father envelope or paycheck or whatever, she gonna use it to buy food for the house. The bills are gonna pay to make sure say whatever I need to have. Him have, you see me I say?
Right.
So that was the difference. That was the difference. 'Cause you know, all of this, I kind of saw the thing usually running, you know. The man where the money bring it home to your woman,
The commit.
and then make sure that the household is good and comfortable for them.
Yeah. Yeah. Because my father used to work for the train. Right? He used to
Okay.
drive the train. And you see, when my father no work on a Sunday, my father was there in the house and help my mother clean up and things. I same thing my father used to do. And me dad take a page out of my father book. You understand
And
me?
you just take it
Take
too
a page
early.
out of my father book. But me did not me take it too early.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand me? Because Sunday daytime, my mother and my father they then cook together. My father never make me hungry when we did that grow up when we did younger.
Mm-hmm.
He make
Yeah,
sure
man,
food
but
there in a feed house. Him take care. Him have whole heap of baby mother. Don't get me
mm-hmm.
wrong. Him have whole heap of kids. Him have 3 kids with my mother. But him have other baby mothers outside. Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
train stop. My father have a picture there.
Bro, this,
Ja, ja.
No, seriously, I swear to God, man. Anyway, train stop. My father have a picture there. Once the train
Yeah.
sleep over there,
Uh,
yeah, man. My father have
yeah,
a
man,
child
but
level. If I don't lie, me I tell you, 13 feet my father there.
okay.
You understand?
Well,
But my mother house, him take care of him
me I
house.
me I go jump off shortly, but just a word of advice to you and any other man, or even women too. Like you see, in life, there's nothing that is sure, especially relationships. Anything can happen. Now, with that being said, you have to have something, especially as a man. You have to make sure you have something put down for yourself. Because when a woman will leave you, or you will leave a woman, and next man will take up that woman with that woman having nothing, you know. That woman can dip on her face and then not have nothing and not live nowhere. And a man will put her, will take her up and set her. You see, you as a man, or me as a man, chances are a woman will not do that for you. Because you're
It's
probably
not
not even
it,
seem attractive to her if you don't have nothing. You see what I say? So you have
that's
to
true.
have your own. You have to have your own, no
That's true.
matter what. Yeah, you can give your woman money. You make sure she good, but you have to reserve something for your time for when you
Nah,
wanna depart.
but them the days are done, my brother. Them the days are done. Now, I have my day here, man, I'm comfortable the way I'm want to comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
But if God spare my life, I want to retire. I want to retire. I want to go and work for 5 more years. I want to retire. Yeah,
Okay.
5 more years.
Yeah,
I
man.
want to work and retire. I
Alright,
just
my God.
want.
That's
I
ambition.
want five. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Respect yourself, brother.
yeah,
Thank
man. Bless
you
up.
for joining us.
Bless up yourself, man. Bless up
Alright,
yourself.
next week again. Big up Sammy and Nadia. Nadia,
Yes,
yeah,
sorry.
pick up.
big up.
All right, pick up.
Just
Alright.
keep the X
Sammy,
with me.
Sammy.
Yeah,
Me know the type of man them were attractive. You understand me?
used to.
Used to attract you. Yeah, used to attract you. It's like it's not you have a nice you have a nice personality, and
I sound like you're sending application to Sammy. Sammy married, you know. She
no,
married now.
me not, no man, me not sending no application,
Anthony, a
man. No, man.
gentleman, making
No,
talk,
me not,
man.
no, look here, me not sending no application, man. Me not need, me not do
No, but
that.
I'm bad Nadia, bad you. Nadia no meaning.
Yeah, me
I told
know.
Nadia, I told you.
Me know, man. Me know. Say I trouble Nadia, I trouble me. Would I more for send request to you, Nadia?
All right, you hear that? You hear that?
I should,
You
I,
hear that?
I,
That's
I show you the cross over Germany there.
she can't move, you know. Anything is possible.
I can't move. What a way you set me up on date, Sammy. I can't move.
Love connection over here tonight.
Alright, but listen, in life, we got one. Me, Lisa, now we have one life. We have one life to live. I will live it to the fullest. You're married, you enjoy life. You got kids with
Straight.
your husband, don't you? You got kids, right?
Yeah, we have one 8-year-old twin.
Uh, uh, I have one 9-year-old twin, but the boy did die.
Oh
But
no, that's sad.
just a daughter alone. Me have that.
Wow.
Oh, that's sad.
But I have I have two sons. I have two sons.
So, 2 sons and 1 girl. Look like say
So right
yeah.
now you're single.
Oh, me?
Mm-hmm.
No, I know. No. Sometimes I ask myself that question, you know. Sometimes I ask myself that question.
What that mean?
No, man, a different day we talk about that. On a different day we talk about that. No, that's
All
enough
right.
tonight. That's enough tonight. We talk.
Sammy, you have
I
any...
don't come.
As you were saying, Anthony.
No, as I was saying, it's just that when you was growing up, you attracted certain type of alpha male. And just think say them for rule. See, a man like that, me I gonna use him gone still, but me I gonna use something. Him. A man like that will never make a woman tell him say, yo, sit down there and do. Cause I'm gonna say, yo, me a man, no woman not supposed to talk to me that way there. But if a woman says, sit down there, so don't move, Anthony, me I gonna sit down and me not move. Cause maybe she has seen me from something. Me don't know what. She
The
can't
way
see me
you
from my day.
discipline.
No, I'm not disciplined. If you look, alright, say for instance, me go out every time, every minute. And you look for me and say, oh, I'm going out tonight, so you have to stay home. Me not even hesitate to say, me not stay in. Me I go just keep my ass one place. If you say me to stay in, me I go stay in. If me say me I go out and you say, you don't need to go nowhere tonight, you know. You need to stay in, sit down there and keep yourself quiet. But sit down and keep yourself quiet. I can say you are going to your friend. So you have to stay in to take care of the baby. Me not ask Christ. Go and go do your thing. Me
Yeah.
stay in. You could have seen me
Aside
from
for go.
something.
Aside for go.
I say if
I
you
know.
go say, well,
A alpha male man now go expect a alpha male man now go say, oh me and man and me wear the pants so me I go to you stay in.
Mm-hmm.
But that's where argument come in a relationship.
Yeah.
all right.
That's
So
where argument
Sammy,
come in a relationship.
you have any closing words? You know how you feel about your whole situation?
About the world situation.
About
As
not
again, let me put this out there again. For those who are this is the end of the program. For those who are going to watch this live, please look at my disclaimer before you judge and condemn or write your comments, okay? Because I was not here talking about all Jamaican men. I was here talking about my ex, which are Jamaicans, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And women And you know what? Big up to all of the Jamaican men them who know how to talk to a woman. Big up to all of the Jamaican men that knows that our hair, the clothes that we wear, the way how we look on the outside does not define us. You know what where does beauty comes from? From within. So my advice to any Jamaican man, especially a good one, them like Anthony, who know how to speak to a woman with respect. If you're looking for a woman and you want beauty, check the inside first, because what's on the inside, it will gradually show on the outside. Yeah? And you see every little woman in a them house frock, they can turn into a diva. But there's a time and a place for everything under the sun. Yeah? Me now pick up the girl and want to go to bed with makeup on their face. Your man must can see organic.
That's true.
You have a point. You have a point.
That's true. That's
You have
true.
any closing words,
Yeah.
Chris?
It was wonderful to bring up on your platform. This is the first live now, right? Since
This is the first live that I'm doing by myself, so I'm still learning because it's new
and
to me.
and look here, you're still every day you learn something new.
Yeah.
Every day.
And